Hey, what's up everyone? Today, we're diving into something cool. I'm going to show you how to get the Delta Executor key. And yeah, this one actually works forever. The best part? You can do it entirely on your mobile phone, whether you use an iPhone or Android. It seriously only takes a few minutes of your time, and by the end, you'll have that permanent key locked down. If this tutorial helps you at all, please hit that like button and subscribe. Drop me a comment too. That way we can make sure more people see this while these codes are still active. First, just grab your phone and open up browser you normally use. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whatever you're most comfortable with. Head over to twistycoupons.com and let the page load. Once it's up, scroll down until you spot the banner that says Delta Executor. Tap on it, and you will land on a page with all the details. You'll notice a little counter showing exactly how many spots are left, so don't sit on this too long. These kinds of offers tend to fill up pretty quick. When you click into it, you'll see that your code is currently locked. Don't stress though, unlocking it is completely easy. All you need to do is finish up 2 quick sponsor tasks. These are 100% free, require 0 payments, and absolutely nothing shady or sketchy. The tasks themselves are usually dead simple. You might just need to download a free app and open it, jump into a mobile game and reach a specific point, or test out a lightweight tool for a few minutes. Knocking out both of these usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes total. Once you've finished both offers, head back to the website and your key should automatically unlock itself. If it takes a few seconds to show up, just give it a moment to sync up. You can also complete one extra task just to be absolutely sure it triggers. Now, simply copy the key, open Delta Executor, and paste it in. You should now have full, permanent access immediately. This process is straightforward and reliable. If this tutorial was useful for you, I'd really appreciate a like, a subscription, and feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. Remember that if you run into any issues at all, just let me know here. Thanks for tuning in today. I'll see you next time.